Hello, we're at 900 Powell and this is apartment 4. So right when you come in the front door of the apartment, you're in the hallway. First thing on your right is the coat closet. It's got a sliding door. Please excuse my bags down there. And then here on the left is the bathroom. Okay, it's got a shower with a glass shower door, exhaust fan. Here's a cupboard for storage. Hi everybody. Okay, some storage underneath here. Vanity lights. And like a tile surround for the shower. And also granite tile on the floor. Okay, so there's the bathroom. And then as you come in, here's the bedroom. Could do a king or a queen, but I think that a queen would fit best in the space. There's the heater for this room. This unit has electric wall mounted heat. Okay, here's our closet for the bedroom. Shelf up top there. And then there are pocket doors between the bedroom and the living room, so you can leave those open or closed as you prefer. All right, and then it opens up into a nice open concept here between the living room and kitchen. Okay, hardwood floors throughout the unit. There's the electric wall mounted heater for the living room. And the pocket doors between the bedroom and the living room. We are right on Powell at Sacramento, so great Nob Hill location. And behind us here is a little side street called Miller Place. So this is tucked here in the back away from Powell and Sacramento, facing Miller Place. Okay, so between the kitchen and the living room is a little kitchen island here. And there's some additional cabinet space there. We have fridge, microwave, gas stove, and a dishwasher. And then nice white cabinets. Okay. And this building, by the way, has shared laundry, 2 washers, 2 dryers. There are 15 units in the building, which are all 1 bedrooms. And there's an app to use the laundry called ShinePay, so you don't have to worry about getting quarters. Okay, and last thing here, I'll step out to show you where that laundry is. Okay, so we're stepping out into the common hallway here. There's the lobby. And right at the base of that staircase is the door to the laundry room, so convenient to apartment 4. Okay, thanks so much for watching.